Hello everyone, Molweni nonke. Hope everyone is doing good. Molweni means hello everyone in Xhosa. Anyways, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now today we are making a round pillow using velvet stretchy material. I hope you are going to enjoy this DIY as much as I did. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe, like, share, comment. Without wasting any of your time, let's get into the video. Now this is leftover material that I was using for a different project, and I thought it would be perfect for a pillow DIY. The material is very stretchy and flexible. This is my first ever DIY attempt. I remember it was in 2020 when this whole COVID thing started. We were obviously working at home, spending a lot of time at home, and just like everyone, we spend a lot of time, on the internet watching movies, and I consumed a lot of content, DIY content from the internet, and I was inspired, to do something. I remember I went to town to buy the material needed, took down the measurements, and then I started with the DIY. On that day, it was a Saturday. I actually, I think I made about 4 pillows, which were 2 sets. I was over the moon. I obviously phoned my relatives. I shared pictures. I was so excited, and I knew from that day that this is something that that I have to do. It's kind of something that is within me. I know that I still have a long way to go because I don't have the experience or the training to do this. I am honestly doing this for the feeling I get after I've completed or I've attempted something with my own hands, and the feeling that I get when I get that final product, it is a feeling that I would never trade for anything in the world. I'm also doing this to inspire someone who is so scared of starting something that they really want to do because they are scared of what people are going to say. Inspire and encourage someone who feels like they don't have enough material or equipment to start something. You don't need to have fancy equipment. You can start with what you have and you will grow from there. It took me a while to open myself up to start this channel for a number of reasons. I had a lot of doubts. I was thinking that I'm not good enough, that I don't have the right equipment, I don't have the experience. I was just making excuses on top of excuses. And I decided one day that I'm going to start this channel and I will learn as I go and hopefully improve and grow. We recently moved to a new apartment, so I'm trying to put my personality to this place, and I thought I must go back, man, just go back to the beginning where I started, so that's why I'm doing this DIY, and I'm so excited, just transforming this place on a budget. Yeah, I hope everyone is good. I hope everyone is doing good. There's a lot going on these days. I just pray and hope everyone is doing good. Anyways, let me let you enjoy the rest of the video. It is straightforward. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section below. Remember again to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and click the bell icon for notifications when I upload a new video.